Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. I am here with Millie and Gilligan. They've had their haircuts today, so they're a bit shorn the sheep. I had to do Millie's face quite short because her fur was a bit matted around her eyes, wasn't it? So we had to take that off, didn't we? So you look a little bit shell-shocked, but she's okay. So she's had a haircut, Gilligan's had a haircut. That can only mean one thing. Yes, it's big fur mess test time. And here we have the mess. Millie was only kind of trimmed, so there wasn't much from her. Gilligan, there was quite a lot of fur, so it's not as much as it is normal because of now we don't have poor Zach and there's a horrible fly over there. So what we're going to be doing today is checking out the capacity of this SEBO Felix. So here we have 4 months of fur. Can we fit it into one bag? Right, okay, so let's take a look at the machine. And so today, like I said, we're going to be using the SEBO Felix E-Power, made in Germany. We have a look at the label on the side. Oh, let's turn you around. It's on the wrong way. There we go. So, from the label, we can see, eventually, we got the Felix 1, 700 to 875 watts, made in Germany. Tuck the hose back in. There we can see it's got the adjustable, takes a few seconds to start up. Nice gentle start. All the way up to the full 870 watts. And using the amazing, I love the ET1 head on it. Manual adjustment. Reset. That tells you if it goes orange, then it tells you that it's not touching carpet. Green is fine, and if it clogs, it stops, and then that's how you reset it. Easy to take apart. Now let's have a look on the inside, because I have a bag in there that I've been using, so I need to check. Yeah, actually there's still fur in it. So yeah, that is the bag that I have. I'm going to put in a new bag. You can take a little look on the inside, the filter there. So let's put in a new bag. Now, first time you do this, it can be a little bit fiddly, especially when I'm trying to do it with one hand. Right. Would help if I open the lid. So this has been used, but it's empty, which is good. Right, let's close the lid. Okay, so I'm not going to go, I've done a test on this before in the workshop on carpet, and it picked up all the fur, no problem. Now I want to see about its capacity. So let me pull the hose out, and for convenience I'm going to lay it down flat. That's easier for me. There we go. We put it on maximum power. Let's see how we go. Okay, so we managed to gobble up that whole load of fur. Let me just pop that in the side. Let's give it a quick run around. And if we turn on there's still suction left in it. So we know that the bag full indicator is working, it's not broken, but when I put it on, it's not even showing a little bit. So how much room is left in that bag? Okay, the bag is pretty full. As you can see, it's like a squishy pillow, but there's still, I could put my finger in there, I could possibly still use it without having to change the bag. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in, which takes a bit of effort because it's quite pillowy. Put it back on. Hang on, I need 2 hands for that. There we go, put the bag back in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to do a full house demo with it and see how long it's going to take to even get that bag to completely fill up. So there we go, guys, quick video for you on my lovely SEBO Felix, which I really do like. There are some negative things about it, of course, which is the bag itself. Even though it has huge capacity, it'll take a long time to fill it. It can smell if you don't fill it up very quickly, but I can't explain to you how good the ET1 flow head is on this machine, and it's very, very powerful, even though this is the eco version. So I genuinely really do like this machine, even though it does have negatives. It is a very, very good machine, especially for commercial places as well. But I really love it around the home. I think it's fantastic. So there we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Nice bit of fun for you, a bit of entertainment on behalf of Gilligan and Millie. It's very windy outside today. Say thank you, Millie. Wag your tail. And Gilligan, unfortunately, who's blind and deaf, and not unfortunately, I don't think he's much long for this, but his back legs are starting to go, unfortunately. So yep, we hope we'll see you in another video in it, Gilligan, and thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.